don't know if this is interesting to anybody or not, but insurance wanted to know, they wanted to see drawings and our hurricane or I guess storm preparedness plan. And so we did our drawing with 16 lines. And then afterwards I got to thinking, oh my goodness, do we have 16 lines? And if not, we needed to pick some up. And we only can usually get our lines from like River Supply and Thunderbolt. They have the ones with the really large eyes, and we have the old-fashioned cleats or house pipes or whatever you want to call them, to put the eye over. And that's the way I prefer to do it. Is I put the eye over the cleat on the house pipe, and then I put the bitter end. You know, I wrap the end of it down on the dock usually. But long story short, short story long, I counted my lines. I have 20, so I guess I'm good. Yay. I didn't ask, but I think we just crossed St. Catherine Sound. It was a little bit rough for a little while, but you know, nothing we don't encounter on a regular, slightly windy day on a crossing. But it looks like we're close to where we're going to arrive. I gotta go check on dinner. I wanted to get it fixed before we stop. Ron's gonna make water and run the generator right away. Not that I didn't use the microwave or anything like that today though for dinner. I just used the stove. I don't want to have to fix it next time.
Look at that rainbow in just that short little section. Up until now, we've been operating in the master head with no light other than the ambient light from this port light behind me. But you can't see good that way. So what we've done is we keep these LED rechargeable floodlights in here. We have 3 of them. And it changes it to that so we can see. Not really good because it's a floodlight, so you can see it casting shadows on my face. and that's what we have to do to get ready in the morning. But today I'm going to see if I can install some lights in here. And now when we want light in the master head, all we have to do is flip a switch.
Careful there. You already tore your hand up once. Is that trash can down there full?
No.
So today Ron decided he wanted to take out another window so we can get another window on order. We have these old, the original windows that's been sealed multiple times and
Sanded way too many times.
He said, and they still possibly leak. So
Possibly.
okay, I'm trying to be positive here. Okay, so they still leak. How's that?
Yeah.
You're making an awful lot of racket over there. So they still leak. So we've been removing the window, as you can tell. But we gotta be careful not to damage this stuff right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's all around the inside decorative wall part. That part right there. Got the trash can up on the countertop here. He's reaching it through the window. One pane was glass, the other pane was plexiglass. And they were both so old you couldn't see through either one of them very well. Ron's going out to put a fender because our boat is bouncing around and we're hitting a he's complaining. We're hitting the dock. It's an interesting tie.
Yeehaw!
What'd you do? Just leave the other side of the line down in the water?
Yep.
Well, I hope this one don't break off then. You're a little wet.
Yep. It's a little wet out there. A little rocky.
I guess I should have been getting you a towel instead of standing here filming you. Would you like me to go get you a towel?